Good news, Sam Bankman-Fried has been arrested, and it seems like, I mean, the cryptocurrencies are performing quite well on this news, but don't forget, this isn't FUD. This is real. Genesis is a huge lending and custodial platform for institutional investors. They're dealing with tens of billions of dollars. They have a loan out for their parent company, Digital Currency Group, to the tune of $1.1 billion. This is an event that we still don't know if they are solvent or if they will declare bankruptcy. If they do declare bankruptcy, what does that mean? If you want to learn more, keep watching. I'm going to get into it right now. If you guys want to know what we're doing with our cryptocurrencies and why, I encourage you to check out the CT Club down below. Toby and I just did a pretty big move, getting all of our coins off of one particular exchange that we might have been a little bit lazy about. We're all guilty at that point. And also one stable coin that we are sure to not have exposure to any longer. If you want to know what that move was and what stable coin we're talking about, check out the CT Club. Again, the link is down below. Let's get into today's video. I really wish I had so much more information coming out about Genesis, if they are solvent, if they're declaring bankruptcy, and how exactly Digital Currency Group plans to address this. But we did get a smidgen more of information regarding the $1.1 billion intercompany loan between Digital Currency Group and Genesis. And that is that basically Digital Currency Group took a $1.1 billion loan from Genesis, and that loan is callable. That means they can demand payment on that loan. And if that happens, if Genesis has to demand payment of that loan, then Digital Currency Group does not have the cash on hand basically to get that. So they're going to have to probably sell off whatever they can in terms of their companies. If you go to Digital Currency Group's website and you go to their portfolio, which is a list of like 134 different companies that they either own entirely or they own a part of, some part of, fraction. I'm going to put a link to this down below in the video description. You'll be surprised which companies that they own. Companies like Coinbase, Kraken, Paxos, Etherscan, Dapper Labs, Grayscale. The list goes on. So I don't know how exactly that's going to be affecting these companies if those shares have to be put up for sale. But guess what? Guess who is recently in the market to invest in cryptocurrency companies and who's already doing their due diligence and probably has their eyes on the situation of this portfolio of Digital Currency Group? Vampire Squid. That's right. Goldman Sachs already announced that they are interested in investing tens of millions of dollars into cryptocurrency companies. I mean, that's a drop in the bucket compared to this loan that Digital Currency Group has. So who knows? I mean, we just found out today, or yesterday actually, that Sam Bankman-Fried has been arrested, and Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are performing quite well with this news. So was that the bottom of this market? Who knows? Until we see what's happening with Genesis, that's a danger that we have to still be aware of, and it's definitely still a source of FUD. Just the sheer amount of funds that Genesis is dealing with for both lending and custody solutions for institutional investors. It's a huge, huge platform for that, dealing with tens of billions of dollars. So as always, I'm going to keep you guys posted as best as I can on Genesis. They are very tight-lipped. They're not even telling their creditors what's happening, their user base, what's happening. So as soon as I know something, I'll be letting you guys know. If you guys enjoy these updates, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, putting out videos every single day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Hold on, don't turn it off yet.